If the cost of living continues to rise, but your paycheck ain't, if assets continue to rise, but your hourly wages aren't rising, what you think you got to do, bruh? You really got to think like an owner, all jokes aside. Because their whole job is to keep you trapped in the matrix, keep you thinking small minded, and to have you be fearful of actually being successful. Majority of the world literally has been programmed to think in a negative way, whether it's about their finances, whether it's about themselves, the way that they view this human experience. And so many people run away from the truth, right? And the truth is, the only way you're gonna get rich or wealthy is through asset ownership. It's your boy TG Talk. Alright, y'all. So the reason why I honestly be telling y'all, bro, like we really have to take asset ownership very, very serious is because I really had some deep thoughts today, right? And as I'm sitting in the truck at work, I'm like, I am literally constantly trading my time, my energy for low wages, bro. And every day I remind myself that I am much better than this, right? Now, of course, bro, I'm very, very grateful to even have this job, right? Because the economy we're living in is super duper. Well, the job market is super duper tough. Let me not blame the economy. The job market is super duper tough. I also see the bigger picture. I don't think like an employee. I think like an entrepreneur. I ask myself, how can I own more assets so that I can buy back my time? I've seen it in real time. I've seen my assets outpace what I make per day here at this job. I want people to shift their mentality on the way that they're viewing their source of income, which is from the W 2 job. Even if you're an entrepreneur, bro, view the way that you're making the money that you're making. Because if you're not keeping the money and if you're not helping it multiply, you're just making money. Now, paychecks, people hourly wages are not rising, bro. And let's just say you're doing overtime like myself, right? Majority of that gets taken from taxes, which is sad. It's very sad, to be honest. And this is why you may see videos on YouTube where people are saying that the system is rigged, you know? Because we trade time for money, right? And we don't even get to see 100% of that money. We're only really getting to see maybe 70%. Because if you get taxed 30% from the W 2, you're only seeing 70% of your check. And then automatically, of course, you got to take care of bills, X, Y, and Z, right? But I want y'all to shift your mentality on what is the purpose of me making this money? Because if I only focus on making money to pay bills, then that's all that I'm going to get. I'm going to make just enough money to take care of my bills. But if I focus on making money to build in an asset column, then that's what I'm going to get more of. What you focus on truly grows. Owning assets, putting your money to work is honestly a real life skill that nobody can take away from you. First of all, it starts off with your mind and your mindset. That's first of all. Everybody walking on the face of this earth has a different perception when it comes down to money. Everybody has a different perception in the way that they view themselves in their lives. One factor that helped me out so much in life, it continues to help me out, is me retaining my energy. Point blank, period. Now, I'll keep it even thorough and real with y'all, Brett. On my birthday, yes, I did relapse with my lady. I'll be honest and real with y'all. You know what I'm saying? But I believe today I'm on day 8, right? Day 8 of SR. But it was with my lady. And it was a conscious decision, you know? But that's one factor that's been helping me out a lot. Another thing, too, is really paying attention to how the world is ran, right? The job is going to pay you just enough so that you don't escape. And they embed fear into you by threatening to take your job away, which equates to your livelihood because you're dependent on the job to take care of your bills. But rich and wealthy people know that they pay their bills with the passive income that they make from their assets. Growth stocks, real estate, running a business. Today I had to talk with myself while I was sitting in the truck and I said, T, you need to put in more work towards your YouTube channel. Now it's kind of hard for me to do because I'm at work all day. And I cannot sit there and record videos while I'm working. You understand what I'm saying? Long form videos. Now, can I do it on my lunch break? Yeah, but 9 times out of 10, I'm studying the markets, I'm eating my food, or I'm watching some YouTube videos where I'm learning something. But now I might have to get in the groove of batch recording. So if y'all see me with the same hoodie on or the same clothes on, whatever, y'all understand why. It's because I need to push out more content, push out more videos that's going to add value to the people. Why? Because YouTube is my business. If I put all this time and energy, the same time and energy I'm putting into this job, if I put it into my business, I can I'm pretty sure I can outpace what I make at this job on my YouTube channel if I keep putting in the work. If people continue to watch the videos, if y'all even stay throughout the videos, because that's what YouTube is about. Watch hours. It's not about a subscriber account. They don't pay you for the amount of subscribers you have. YouTube does not care about that. They care about how many views, how many people are watching your videos, are people watching the ads. That's what they care about. And hey, if I get some sponsorships, then cool beans. I'm grateful for that. But I'm knowing that it's crunch time, bruh. Because we've been programmed to think that we got to live for a paycheck when we should be living for our purpose, when we should be focused on cash flow. That is how businesses expand, cash flow. That is how people get rich and wealthy, making money in their sleep. Now, yes, will it require a lot of time and attention and capital? Absolutely, bro. I'm not here to tell you some BS and sit there and say, oh, you don't need that much money to make money. That's cat. You need capital to make the money. But while assets are rising, you need to be putting your money to work because we're selling too much time for pennies on the dollar when we could be teaching ourselves high income skills that will help us outpace what we make at these jobs. It's not bashing the jobs, it's not bashing the companies. It's a business. But you got to treat your life as a business, bro. And I told myself that today. You need to treat your life as a business. So y'all will see my face a lot on this YouTube platform. Why? Because this is my business. And I'm here to help as many people as I can, along with helping myself. All right. Leave your thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave your comments below. I'll make sure I got some more videos for y'all. It's your boy Terrence Carter, TC Talk, TC Fitness. Yes, sir.